All right, state your name for the record.
Courtney Harris.
Courtney, what are you doing today?
I am riding in the Lambo.
Do you know you're riding in one today?
No, I did not.
That's always the best time. How do you want me to drive?
Nail it.
Nail it. You heard that. So you can't sue me later. Are you ready?
Yep.
A little wet. Oh, hold on. Brakes. See what I'm talking about?
Yep.
Your hair is like...
Sorry.
When I make a turn, I'm just guessing.
Sorry, I'll just hold it down.
Hold on. Braking is... I'm on the gas right now. See, that's the magic trick. That's how you stay on the road. You hit the brake, you slide. Still on the gas.
Okay.
Still on the gas. Brake. There we go. She holds. Do one more. If you
Oh,
want.
hell yeah, I'm down. Keep going.
He's like, why are you going so fast? I didn't drive like that.
See, that's why you do a ride along. You know how to drive the damn thing.
Yep. There you go.
Thank you. That was amazing.
It's the car. It just
Oh,
does it.
both. I think it's both. Definitely knowing how to drive it helps. Ah, that was dope.
Back it up. And back to reality. That's it. Lamborghini.
Awesome.
Now you know what to ask for Christmas.
Thank you. Yeah, right. Know what I want.
All right. Say
Birthday
bye.
is sooner. Bye.